Hey, it's your boy Alex with the Inside Scoop. Now, I know you guys have been excited about the Queen Goldie project where you're copy trading Queen Goldie's trades and you're looking forward to hearing about my updates in terms of my results. For those that have already plugged in, congratulations on the profits that you're making passively. So, today I'm going to take you inside so I can just give you an update on the results that I've been getting with this so far because I know a lot of you have been asking about an update of the results that I've been getting with this. Now, guys, this is not a crypto program. I know that a lot of people over the years were burned with a lot of crypto programs. This is not a crypto program. This is a program with a reputable forex broker, a regulated broker. And if you know forex has been around for so many years, centuries, so many centuries. So this is not one of those programs that it's here today and gone tomorrow because of a rug pull. This is a program that's here to last, and for me, this is my solid investment plan for 2024, and this is what I'm doing to make passive income. So check it out. Guys. Okay, now I'm really excited about this opportunity, this passive income opportunity, because it just works, and it's been working really great for me. I joined roughly about 2 months ago, 2 months and a couple days, and it's just been working really great for me. Literally, even when I'm taking a nap or when I'm going about my day, I know that profits are still being made passively on my account by Queen Goldie. She has been trading phenomenally well, and she only trades gold. So she is really quite accurate. I showed you in my previous video just how accurate she is in terms of her trading, but it has been crazy accuracy. I'm talking literally high 88%, 89% to 90%, even more than 90% accurate at times. So it's really been incredible. First of all, I want to say this is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. If you're here looking to get rich quick off this passive income stream, this is not for you. All right, this is a long-term play. All right, this is steady, consistent, passive profits, and that's what I've been doing, guys. That's what I've been doing with this, and literally just plug, set, and forget. I didn't have to do anything once I connected my account to the broker, and started following Queen Goldie's copy signals. That's all I had to do. I didn't have to do anything else. I don't have to monitor my trades. I don't have to close my trades. None of that trade management stuff. I don't have to do anything else. And you don't even need to know how to trade forex. All right, so let me just show you. This is what I started with. So my starting balance was 1,500. All right, guys. And, just a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just showing you my journey and, what I've been doing passively to make income. All right, so I started with 1,500 on the 4th of December. Now, not every day is a trading day. She doesn't always trade every day. She only trades if there's an opportunity. Okay, so not every day is going to be a trading day. All right, so literally, like I say, I've been in for roughly about 2 months and a few days, but out of that 2 months and a few days, she's probably only traded roughly about, maybe 20 trading days, maybe 25 trading days, something like that, right? So not every day is a trading day, and especially being that I started in December, which is a lot of holidays in December, so not a lot of trading days in December. Okay, so don't think every day is gonna be a trading day. It's not always a trading day. All right, so I started 1,500 December 4th. All right, so let's see what I have earned so far. So $522 has been my realized profits. Okay, so if I go to the calculator here, let's add it up. So 1,500 plus the 522, right? Plus the 522, and roughly about $2,022. All right, so now I have withdrawn a little bit of my profit. So I have withdrawn some of my profits, but 2022, $522 net profit overall. Okay, so now if I now take that and calculate what is my percentage growth. Okay, so I began with 1500, and now I am at 2022. Let's calculate. Roughly about 34.8%, 35%. Okay, so 35% growth in roughly about, let's say, 2 months, with roughly about 20-25 trading days, right? Realistically, about 20-25 trading days. That is amazing, guys. Now ask yourself, what bank is going to give you these kind of results, right? That's why I tell people, I'm like, what bank is going to give you 34.8% or 35% in 2 months? What bank is going to give you that? You're not going to get that from a bank, all right? You're not going to get that. So rather than sitting there and your investments are crawling like turtles, not really making any significant change, why not compound your investments? All right? Why not compound your investment? So I average about 15 to about 15 to 35%, or sorry, I should say roughly about around 15%. 15 to about, let's say 16-17% a month is what I'm averaging right now with this investment. All right, so 15 to about 16-17%. All right, which is really, really great for me. I love it, right? Because for me, this is really low risk for me. The drawdowns are low, super low, and her accuracy has been like really, really phenomenal. Let me just show you real quick here, just in terms of some of the trades. So this is CopyTrading. So she does have, she does get like a percentage of the profits. So she gets 30% of whatever profits that she makes for us at the end of the week. So they tend to come out on Saturday, is what I noticed. Like you can see right here, this is profit split right here. Okay. So she gets 30%, we keep 70%. But you can see here, look at all the greens, guys. So one red, right? And look at all the greens. Look at all the greens. And this is how accurate that, she is. Look at how accurate she is, guys. Let me fast forward to last week. Look how accurate she is. So this is a profit split. So don't look at that. That's a profit split. But this is, okay, what? One losing trade, and then the rest are all winning trades. Very, very accurate, guys. So let me show you her Telegram real quick. And her Telegram group is private. So if you want to get added to the group or whatever, just message me and I will show you how to get added. So just looking at last week, she sends out daily reports. So 0.45% on the regular risk and 0.90% on the higher risk. Okay, so that was for the 5th of February. So looking at the 6th, 0.36% on regular risk, 0.73% on the higher risk. Weekly report so far to that date had been 1.63% on the higher risk and 0.81% on the lower risk. All right, so fast forward to February 7, 1.05% on the regular risk, 2.10% on the higher risk. So typically the daily fluctuates between 0.70% and 2.5 or even 3% on the higher risk. Sometimes could be more, but I'm just saying what I've observed so far. Okay. Weekly report for that last week was 2.6% on the regular risk, 5.3% on the higher risk. And here's a snapshot. I didn't even join like when it first started, but had I joined like as soon as it started, I'd already been up 50% in my account, which is amazing. So here, looking at the double risk, yeah, you can see here since it started, which was late, like towards the end of November. Look at the win percent, guys, 90.22%. There's not many traders in the world that have an accuracy that is that good. All right, there's not many traders that have that accuracy. So this win rate is phenomenal. The ROI, if you had joined like when it first started, is 51%. So right now you'd be sitting at roughly about 52% profit, which is amazing, guys. Amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. She's like, wow, double risk has achieved over 51.93% gain already. 100% next. Yep, we double it, and then what happens next? We double it again, right? So this is how you, with the power of compounding, this is how you can make 6 figures passively. right? Passively. All right, so all right, let's see what else was here. Ooh, one client is up 33K. Wow. One client is up $33,000, right? Of course, they put in more than I did, right? That's why they're up $33,000, right? There are only two risk profiles. There's a low risk and there's a high risk. For me, I went with the high risk, right? Which is still low risk in my opinion, because the drawdown is like literally really low. Okay. All right, let's go to, what is this? Testimonial here. Greatest thing moving for me. Excellent trading, excellent results, easy, smooth withdrawals. Yeah, and I showed you my withdrawals in my other video from lirunex, the broker, the broker has been around for 7 years, guys. So this is not like one of those sketchy brokers, all right? They're regulated and they've been around for 7 years, all right? Very smooth withdrawals. I got my money fast. What more could you ask? What more could you ask indeed? Okay, awesome. Let's see. Been following since January 1st, 2024. Very nice. Ooh, realized profit and loss. Oh my goodness, almost 10K. Ooh, jeez. Somebody almost made 10K. Nice. I must say your trades are powerful. Please keep up with the good work. Okay. I love Goldie copy trade accounts. I have half my account in low risk and the other half in high risk. Yeah, which is another way to do it. Consistent low risk trades. You're helping my family financially while I'm learning to trade on my own as well. Thank you, Goldie. All right, nice. I love Goldie copy trade account. I have, okay, no, that's the one I just read. Thank you so much for what you do, changing my family's life. And yeah, honestly, this is a blessing, guys. This is a blessing. Right, this is a blessing, especially if you're tired of like crypto programs that don't last. Then this is a solid investment portfolio for you, okay? Because this is forex. Forex has been around, like I mentioned in at the beginning of the video, for literally centuries. Okay. All right, let's see what else do we have here today. I had a losing day on my trades. Look over at your account and it was profitable and made up for my losses. You don't know how good that feels being a beginner trader. Nice. I can't think of a better investment I've ever had in my life. Being able to sleep and not worry. It's a dream come true, especially when I have a full-time job and family to raise. I can't do this myself. I need your excellence. Thank you. I appreciate you. Well, I can definitely say you are the true Queen of Gold, and I admire everything about you. Your honesty, your integrity, your professionalism, your tenacity, your transparency. Heck, I could go on and on and on. I'm actually a newbie. I've only been subscribed for a couple weeks now, and just in that short time, I've been so inspired and amazed at your mindset, your heart to help, your responsiveness, and your vision. You will forever be a queen in my eyes as I step into this trading journey for the first time ever. Thank you for all you do, Queen Goldie. May God continue to bless and protect you. Nice. Awesome trader, best in the world. Yep, I agree. This is by far my greatest investment. I wish I found it before pouring almost 100K into scams in 2023. Yup, a lot of us have been there. A lot of us lost a lot of money in 2023 due to all those crypto scams, right? But with Queen Goldie, it's looking like I'll be recouping all I have lost. You're changing lives, Queen Goldie. Keep pushing. Love it. Love it. All right, awesome. Ooh, another one, 6K. Somebody made about 6K. So many amazing reviews. I can't keep up. That's what Queen Goldie is saying. Loving Queen Goldie's trading. Join January, February results. A trusted and very skillful trader will be adding more money. All right. Queen Goldie, changing lives. Best trading system I've ever been a part of. Thank you, Queen Goldie. Nice. Somebody made about 449. And okay. And then she said, tomorrow I'll just analyze gold as I don't normally trade Fridays. Have an awesome weekend. All right, so that is that, man. I could go on and on, guys, but guys, you've seen it. I'm very transparent. I'm showing you my account. I'm showing you what I've made so far, you know, with this investment. So if you want to join, I do have step-by-step instructions It's a video instruction, very easy to follow, so you can literally just follow and get started. But if you have any questions, feel free to message me on Telegram. My Telegram is in the link in the description below, so you can take a look there. But yeah, as always, guys, God bless and have a great day. Talk to you soon, and I'll see you on the other side. All right, bye.